Okay, 8th class students. The good morning, everybody. 8th class students play social subject. Already previous class are discussing 11th B chapter, the nationalist movement education. Today the chapter may be completed. The last going the last two topics are last topics there. The lesson name nationalist movement. Nationalist movement. The last phase. The nationalist movement. The last phase. 1919 to 1947. Today, Gandhi conducted the major movements, mass movements, kind of three movements there. Last class non-cooperation movement completed. The civil disobedience movement topic discussed. Civil disobedience movement. Civil disobedience movement. It also called salt movement. Salt civil disobedience movement conducted in 1930. It is another biggest movement or another important mass movement after non-cooperation movement. 1920 to 1922, the period of non-cooperation movement. The movement is completely suppressed by the government, British government. Mainly Gandhiji stopped the movement. Why? The main reason, the agitators followers on the police station, number of people, policemen killed in firing. Gandhiji philosophy, policy, non-violence method. The movement is going on violent method. The violent method occurred in Uttar Pradesh state, Chauri Chaura region. After Gandhi immediately stopped the non-cooperation movement. Some Gandhi also, some etc. Gandhi and some important leaders arrested by the British government. Some years, the leaders imprisonment. After release by the British government, some leaders names Gandhi and next. Gandhi, another biggest movement, the movement named Civil Disobedience. Civil disobedience means the British government introduced the new law. The law named Salt Act. Salt is the natural resource. Common man also use the salt without any tax. The salt. British government the tax on salt. British government introduced the salt tax. The time salt rate also rise. Our Indian freedom fighters, especially Gandhi and others, etc., start the movement. Especially Gandhi start the salt movement of the civil disobedience movement. The historian salt movement is also civil disobedience movement. Is also called. Why? Gandhi break the salt law, break the rule. That's why the historians is called the civil disobedience. What is the rule? What is the law? The British government used the tax, tax on salt. Gandhi against the salt tax and the one of the movement the Sabarmati Ashram. Sabarmati is the important place. I mean Gandhiji Ashram. The name of Gandhiji Ashram. Gandhiji residence place. Gandhiji meditation place. Sabarmati Ashram. Sabarmati Ashram. Sabarmati Ashram located in Gujarat state. Gandhi and some followers, nearly 70, above 76 members, marched the Sabarmati to Dandi area. Sabarmati to Dandi. Dandi is the area is near the coastal, sea coast village. Gandhi and Gandhi followers marched the Sabarmati to Dandi. What is the conduct of march Sabarmati to Dandi? Dandi is the sea coast region. Dandi is the salt manufacturing place. Gandhi reached the Dandi. Some days marching after reached the Dandi. Gandhi take the salt and boiled. I mean without any information, without permission, or break the law, break the rule of British rule, a British law. The incident is very famous. Dandi March. The history, the movement is also called Dandi March. Dandi March. The people throughout India, the incident is spread out throughout India. All regions, the regional wide heads, freedom fighters, and main important leaders also conduct the Dandi March or salt movement. Or India coastal areas, there east coast, west coast areas. The coastal areas people, number of people, just like a non-cooperation movement. How to non-cooperation movement conduct of Indian national leaders and people the same. Non-cooperation movement, biggest movement, civil movement. Then biggest movement, salt movement. So many leaders, freedom fighters reach the sea coast areas or Andhra Pradesh. The people reach the sea coast areas. Where the salt making places. The people take the salt. Ocean water, sea water, and the water boil them. The incident, the movement is the spread out throughout India. That time, the leaders follow the British government. British government againstly our Indian people follow the some ideas. Strikes, hartals, slogans, agitators, followers, Gandhi followers, leaders, even women's, children's, men's. There is no difference. All group of people, all caste, all religions. The Hindu Muslims also join the SALT movement. The movement is very influence in our people. Bigger than non-cooperation movement inspiration. Number of people join the SALT movement. Government, British government goods provide the Indian people. British goods, British industries, British schools, colleges, even offices also boycott the people, I mean students, college students, school students, government officers, employees, even Navy people also, mainly Mumbai, Bombay. Bombay is the main important seaport. The leaders, one of the leader, Khan is the important leader of the Navy, I mean Mumbai. Under leadership of the Khan, there are a number of people, Navy employees, join the movement, especially India movement. SALT movement is the important movement of Andhra Pradesh and throughout India. The people join the SALT movement. The SALT movement spread out India. All regions, all group of people join the SALT movement. Our Indian national ideas, national feelings, national consciousness, national spirit, nationalism promoted our India. Our Indian people also awareness, social and political and economical awarenesses. So many leaders join the movement. Even British goods is completely destroyed and boiled and burned. Some days is completely strike, shut down of the industries, shut down of the mills. The government British rule is completely violated by the Indian people or Indian leaders. That's why the movement is a civil disobedience movement. The historians historians call civil disobedience movement. అంటే శాసన ఉల్లంఘన ఉద్యమం. శాసనం అంటే ఒక చట్టం చేశారు బ్రిటిషర్స్. ఆ చట్టాన్ని మన వాళ్ళు వ్యతిరేకించారు, ఉల్లంఘించారు. గాంధీతో స్టార్ట్ అయింది. దండీదే కదా ఏం చేశాడు, వైలేట్ చేయడం అంటే బ్రేక్ చేశాడు. అదేమైందంటే ఇండియా మొత్తం ప్రజలు, మన ఇండియాలో ఎక్కడైతే సముద్ర ప్రాంతాలు ఉప్పును తయారు చేస్తారు అక్కడంతా కూడా వెళ్ళి ఉప్పును తయారు చేశారు. ఉప్పు మీద ట్యాక్స్ వేసింది గవర్నమెంట్, బ్రిటిష్ గవర్నమెంట్. సాల్ట్ రేట్ పెరిగిపోయింది. ఇలాంటి సిట్యుయేషను మన ఇండియాలో జరిగింది. ఇది ఒక నేషనల్ ఐడియాస్ అని ప్రమోట్ చేస్తాం. జాతీయ ఉద్యమం, ఒక పెద్ద నేషనల్ ఫ్రీడమ్ మూమెంట్. ప్రజలు స్వతంత్ర ఉద్యమంలో తండోపతండాలుగా, గుంపులుగా, స్త్రీలు పురుషులు కులము, మతము, జాతి అనే భావన లేకుండా, భేదం లేకుండా ప్రజలందరూ వచ్చి ఉద్యమంలో జాయిన్ అయిపోయారు. బ్రిటిష్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఈ మూమెంట్ సపరేట్ చేయడానికి చాలా కష్టపడాలి. ఒక క్రౌడ్, వెరీ హై క్రౌడ్ మూమెంట్. ఈవెన్ విలేజెస్ ఆల్సో ద మూమెంట్ స్టార్ట్. villages, towns, cities, all regions, anywhere, any place. Sarojini Naidu, Jawaharlal Nehru, Gandhi, some leaders, important leaders, started the SALT movement. Main inspiration Gandhi Dandi March. Gandhi marched from Sabarmati to Dandi. At the conduct the Dandi March, the British government introduced the salt tax. After salt rate also is very high, the common people had to purchase the salt. The time Gandhi, the British government introduced the new law, new principle, new rule. The Gandhi British rule or British law is breakdown. I mean, is violent. In history, the historians also call the civil disobedience movement. ప్రభుత్వం చేసిన సాల్ట్ చట్టాన్ని మనోళ్ళు వ్యతిరేకించారు కాబట్టి, ఆ శాసనాన్ని ఉల్లంఘించారు కాబట్టి హిస్టరీలో ఇది ఏమైందంటే ఒక సాల్ట్ మూమెంట్గా లేదా ఒక శాసన ఉల్లంఘన ఉద్యమంగా మారింది. అందుకని శాసన ఉల్లంఘన ఉద్యమం లేకపోతే సాల్ట్ మూమెంట్ దండి మార్చ్ అని పిలుస్తారు. ఈ ఉద్యమంలో ప్రజలందరూ పాల్గొనడం చాలా ముఖ్యం. 1930 నుంచి 33-32 వరకు చాలా ఫాస్ట్గా ఉద్యమం జరిగింది. తర్వాత బ్రిటిష్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఈ మూమెంట్ని రియల్గా చాలా హార్ట్స్గా ఫోర్స్గా సప్రెస్ అణచివేసి గాంధీ అండ్ సమ్ లీడర్స్ని అరెస్ట్ చేసి జైలు పెట్టారు. అప్పుడు ఈ మూమెంట్ టెంపరీగా స్టాప్ అవడం, అంటే మూమెంట్ అయిపోతుంది. ఇది ఒక ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ మూమెంట్. ఓకే, మీరు 8th క్లాస్ వాళ్ళు హోంవర్క్ తీసుకోండి. రైట్ అబౌట్ ద ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ సాల్ట్ మూమెంట్. Importance of salt movement or civil disobedience movement. Salt movement అన్న civil disobedience movement అవే. సాల్ట్ మూమెంట్ యొక్క ప్రత్యేకత మీరు రాయండి. రైట్.